Check this out, guys. Look, this is big giant polymer balls. So what we're supposed to do, of course, open it. I'm gonna take out a couple different colors. I mean 4, just like this. Then I'm gonna grab some kind of container and fill it up with water. Then I'm gonna grab this awesome polymer balls, or you wanna call them magic balls, whatever you wanna call it, and drop them inside over here. Boom, boom, and boom. Look at it. It just synced up inside of it. So we're gonna set it aside and come back to it in 24 hours and we'll see what happens. Okay, it's been a couple days. Let's take them out and let's see what they look like. Boom, look how big this one is. Wow, pretty cool. This is the yellow one. Wow, you can see through it almost. Pretty awesome. And then we got a green one. It's a giant one. And the biggest one is a black one. But for some reason it got damaged in the jar. You see, just piece kind of got broke off. But this is awesome. Look how big it is. Love this. They feel so good in my hands. This is so awesome. I don't know who invented this, but this is awesome invention for sure. They feel so weird. We gotta have to cut one in half, that's for sure. You see, this is the piece from the black one that fell off. I don't know what happened. Maybe it was a little bit damaged. So when the water filled up, it just fell off. But so now let's cut this black one in half and see what happens. Yeah, wow, look at this. It's jello inside as well. Look, it's just falling apart now. That's so cool. Let's cut it in the other half. Oh, that feels good to cut it in half. Look at the slices. But I would not recommend it to eat it. Definitely don't eat it. Look, I have 3 more of this. What should I do? I think I should smash one. Just throw it right into the table and see what happens. Look at them. They're pretty bouncy. Oh, this one fell apart. Did you see it? That was so cool. Wow. That's so cool. Let's do a drop test on this one as well. Boom. Look at it. It broke apart. Look how awesome it is though. That's so awesome. It feels so good on your hands when it's falling apart. I'm just gonna squeeze it. Pretty cool, huh? It's moving towards the magnet.
Hugo jumping in there.